What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany Jasmine, and today I wanted to do a little tutorial on this look. I uploaded a new look to my IG yesterday, and it was this look right here, and I got a few requests to do a tutorial on this look, so that's what I wanted to do today. So if you wanted to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. So as you could see, I already started this eye just because it does take a little bit longer and I don't want to bore you guys doing both eyes in the same video. All you're gonna need is one palette, and this palette that I'm using is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, this one here. And I only used 4 shades out of this palette. So the first shade that I used was the purple shade, which is called Not My Journey. So it's this true purple right here. And then the second one I used is Tipsy Girl, which is kind of like a hot pink shade, this one here. And the third shade I use is No Joke, which is this nice pretty yellow. And then also I use Certified, which is kind of like an ivory shade. So if you have this palette, awesome, this is all you're gonna need. If you don't have this palette, then I guess try find a purple, pink, and yellow shade, and also an ivory or white shade would work pretty good. The first thing I did was I primed my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Nude. And I already did my eyebrows. Well, they're partially done because I put them on first, draw them on with the brow pencil, and then after I do the finishing touch-ups. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go in with the deep purple shade, and I'm just taking that on kind of like a little mini packing brush. This is my favorite brush, guys. I don't even know where it came from, but it is bomb A. I'm going to be placing that purple shade right where I want it. And I have the tape there as a barrier because it helps the eyeshadow look a lot cleaner afterwards. But you don't necessarily have to use the tape if you don't want to. Alright, so now that we have our purple shade on, I'm going to be placing that pink right on top. Then I'm just gonna go back in with the purple and kind of fuse the colors together. The next color I'm gonna go in with is the yellow shade, and I'm gonna be placing that right on top of the pink. So it's kind of just like a gradual fade from purple, pink to yellow. And I'm taking that on a little mini kind of blending brush as well. And you guys, I'm not tapping any excess off while I'm doing this because I want the colors to stand out and to be as pigmented as possible. Alright, so now that we have our eyeshadow base on, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the crease with this Garnier Micellar Water, and this is the one with argan oil. I think this is really bomb at removing makeup, and I'm going to be going in with a Q-tip. So I'm just going to put some of that makeup remover on the Q-tip until the Q-tip is saturated, and then I'm going to go in and clean up the eyeshadow because I'm going to be going over it with some eye primer. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and this one is okay, like it's not the best, but I'm gonna be taking that on my Makeup Forever I don't even know what number brush this is, but it's like flat, a super flat skinny brush. My favorite brush for cutting the crease. And then I'm just gonna apply that where I cut out, where I cleaned up the eyeshadow. next step is I'm going to be setting the eye primer with some of the ivory white eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking this flat just like a flat dense brush from Morphe. This is the M167, and I'm going to be taking that white eyeshadow and just coat my brush there, and then I'm just going to set the top. So I'm only setting the top portion of the cut crease because I'm going to be putting the purple, pink, and yellow on the bottom as well. So I'm taking my Makeup Forever flat angled liner brush like this, and I packed that purple shade on it, and I'm just gonna pack that right at the base. And I'm being very generous with this color because I want it to be super, super opaque. And then also I'm going to remove this because we no longer need the tape there. I'm just going to blend this eye primer down a little bit more. Basically, I'm just doing a winged liner with the purple eyeshadow. And don't let it completely touch the end because we're going to be putting the pink and the yellow over it. Okay, so now that we have that one, we're gonna go in with the pink shade, and I'm gonna be using small detail brushes for this part. I'm using this super, super small one right here. This is a Morphe brush. Again, the number rubbed off, so I don't know exactly which brush it is. So I'm taking the pink and then placing that right over. Purple little shader brush and fuse those two colors together. Have the eyeshadow done, I'm going in with the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow, which is this one here. I really, really love using this. This is kind of like almost like a holographic cream. It's so freaking pretty. I'll show you what it looks like on the hand. So as you can see, it's like super, super shiny, glittery, shimmery. It's bomb. It's life. This is what I always use when I have like that little shiny line in my cut crease. It's so beautiful. It's like, it's bomb. And I'm just gonna use this super, super tiny thin liner brush. These are disposable ones I got from Amazon, but I really like using them for like thin detail work. They work good, and I just reuse mine because it's me, I'm not a client. So I'm just gonna line the cut crease with this. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some big ass lashes. So these ones right here. And if you don't like mink lashes, you can just click out of the video right now. But these are some huge ass mink lashes. And I'm gonna be putting these on and I'll be right back. All right, so we have our lashes on, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera because it's gonna take hella long and I don't want this video to be too long. So I will do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Right, so as you could see, I did my face makeup and it looks totally different with the face makeup on and my eyebrows finished. Here's little Atticus saying hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, friends.
Hi, friend.
Aw. So I'm just gonna finish my under eyes, and it's basically the same thing, applying yellow, pink, and purple gradually. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my palette here and take the same brushes that I've been using. So I'm gonna take my yellow, and then apply that first. So now that we have our yellow on, we're gonna go ahead and apply our pink. Then I'm gonna go in with the purple. Alright, so now that we're done the lower lash line with the makeup, I'm gonna apply this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. So it's kind of like a nice purple shade, and this is in the shade All Over Magenta. So it is magenta. So I'm gonna apply this in my lower lash line. And what's cool about these pencils is these are multi-purpose, so you could use them for eyes, lips, eyebrows, whatever you want, and they go on so nice, and the consistency of the formula is so nice. Like, they're creamy, they go on really easily, they don't like tug or dry out. So that's another reason why I really love those Makeup Forever Artist pencils. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is apply our mascara, and the mascara that I'm using right now is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lower lash line. So our eyes are finished. It looks so pretty. Like, once it's all finished, it looks so nice. So the last step we're gonna be doing is our lips. So I used 3 products for my lips. I used the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in Spice, and which is kind of like a nice darker nude. And then I also used the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick, and this is in the shade Judith. So this is just a really beautiful nude shade, and I love her lipsticks. They're so freaking beautiful. They go on easily, they last long, and they're just amazing. And then the third thing I used was the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Dainty. So this is kind of like a nude pink gloss. I just used that over to finish it off. So we're gonna be applying our lip liner first. Have our lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick. This lipstick is my fave. And I'm only applying this in the center, not on the outer area. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gloss. And there's the lips. Super beautiful everyday nude lip. My lips look poppin'. I freaking love this lip combo. It's like one of my faves. And then we're just gonna finish off our look with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and we're gonna use this today. And like, the size of the mist gets your entire face, not just one side, which I really like. So yeah, this is the completed look, guys. What do you think? Do we look poppin' or do we look poppin'? Yeah, so I hope you guys are all staying safe during this isolation period, and I hope you guys have a happy Easter, since tomorrow is Easter Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.